Hello and welcome back to our tutorials. We are now on material duplication. So this is where part of your material is being moved on to another gene bank somewhere else for self-storage. So let's say maybe you are sending information to, if you're an NPGRC and you are sending information to SPGRC, that actually qualifies to be duplication, which means you are duplicating part of your material to the regional gene bank, SPGRC. And SPGRC can also actually duplicate their material to international gene banks like Band and maybe those other gene banks out there. So for this example, I'll actually use the SPGRC database again because of how many records they have, which means it will likely to, it will give us a better presentation of this material. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to banked materials and we go to duplications. So the first thing you do when you read duplications, again, web-based DIS is meant to be very simple. You just go ahead and say create new. So obviously you're creating a new duplication, and let's say maybe this is going to the Sevalbad global seed vault. Pick that, description, duplication for safekeeping. You know your language better. For me, I'll just use safekeeping as an example. So we go ahead and save this. Okay, then now we start adding accessions that are being duplicated to save our band, and we go to add transaction, and then here you have to search by accession number. So if I try to search by that, yes, I can see something. So maybe we are duplicating this Vigna Eucalata. I can then pick it up like that, and I say we are taking one quantity to there, which is fine. If we know the district, we can update so that we know which district this particular material came from. So this is from Angola actually, so we may say maybe this is from Luena. Is it spelled like that? I'll attempt to just leave it on that. Or maybe Mitete. I know some district in Angola. So let's go ahead and save. So we have that material that has come, it's from Mitete district and it's from Angola. We're duplicating this to Sevalband, the global seed vault, and then we can add some more. Again, let's just say maybe 6 like that. Alright, we've seen some stuff here. We could then get this Arrakis, and we pick it like that. This is from Zambia. Oh yes, this is going to be a little simpler. So maybe this is coming from Choma, and we are taking 1 again. Okay, then again, so we are searching by accession number. Remember, you have these accession numbers yourselves at hand, so you should be able to find it much easier to actually. Okay, so Vulgaris there, and maybe this is TZ, so it could be coming from Dodoma, and then we save like that. Then let's add a few more. Then maybe we could say 6.5 like the 7.5. You could get this one, the sorghum by color, like that. And this is from Botswana, so this may be I wish I could spell Maharape, but I'll say this is from Kanye. Alright, and then I go ahead and save. Then again I can add one more. What number am I using? Let's say 89. Okay, so there's some stuff on it. This is Oriza sativa. It's rice. So we go ahead. This is coming from Mozambique. So do I know a district in Mozambique? Then maybe we'll say Beira. Beira. This is the port city. So we say save. So we have 5 items now to be duplicated to save our band, and all we need to do next is actually to approve this list we have. So a senior person in the gene bank section will then now go ahead and come and approve this this particular duplication effort. So from here, first of all, we have a printout to make. This could be stored somewhere. This could be stored somewhere, ladies and gentlemen. You know, it shows that it's from SPGRC HQ to Sevalband Global Seed Vault, and the duplication is for safekeeping. And these are the material that have actually been added and the quantities at the end there in terms of follow bags. So this document then should be stored somewhere, so that, you know, for future reference you can actually print this and put it in your files. Then remember, there are also labels to be used when you are actually taking this material for duplication, and therefore you can click on print labels and the system will generate labels. You see, I told you that if there are more than one, they will all appear here. So in this case, we have these labels now to be placed on the material that are going to Sevalband. In this case, we have that one coming from Zambia, the other one coming from Mozambique, the other one from TZA, the other one from Angola, the other one from Botswana. So these labels will then be now printed on stationery, and appropriate stationery that is, and then sent to Sevalband, placed on the materials, and then this material can be dispatched to Sevalband. This is what is involved in duplication. The NPGRCs may utilize this process to actually be able to duplicate to SPGRC itself. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the example of material duplication. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video to do with germination tests. Thank you.